What's up guys, today's video is on the best gas welding hoses. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Goplus 50 feet Twin Welding Torch Hose. This Goplus 50 Twin Welding Oxy-Acetylene Oxygen Cutting 1/4 SI is a dazzling length of 50 feet and is made for acetylene as well as oxygen welding gases, which makes it perfect for welding and cutting. It comes with 2 heavy-duty rubber hoses, which have female fittings made of solid brass. It's weather, crack, and abrasion resistant, making it able to last for many years without causing damage. The Goplus is able to handle 300 psi and a ruptured pressure of 990 psi. It is one of the most flexible hoses because it is suitable for use in harsh conditions of weather. Many applications are possible since it is suitable for use in extremely hot environments. Flame retardant makes it safe to weld in tight spaces as well as outside. Number 2. ABN Oxygen Acetylene Hose. ABN hoses are highly recommended for quality hoses. They are the ABN Oxygen Acetylene Hose 1/4 inch B fittings. Twin Welding Hose Oxy-Acetylene Torch Hose is made from tough and extremely flexible rubber. It is specifically designed for acetylene and oxygen torch welding, as well as many other cutting-related projects. It is capable of sustaining 300 psi in maximum pressure, with its impressive length of 50 feet. Allows for flexibility in the garage or working area. It is possible to connect your regulator and oxy kit using the hose in a safe manner, thanks to its green and red color coding system. This regulator fits all B sizes, since it is standard-sized B fittings at all ends. The red and green colors permit color coding to connect your regulator and oxy torch comfortably and safely. It is made of high-quality acetylene, which provides the longest-lasting durability and strength. Number 3. Hot Max Hose for Propane Gas. Hot Max 24201 Extension Appliance Hose. Hot Max 24201 Extension Appliance Hose for propane or natural gas manages 350 psi of pressure, as well as being compatible with a variety of kinds of torches. It is suitable for propane appliances, such as grills, turkey fryers, and various other equipment used in the home. This Hot Max 24201 Extension Appliance Hose for propane or natural gas is an extremely small diameter that is not suitable for the use of industrial equipment or for large-scale projects. One end is constructed of a 1/4 inch male, non-spinning fitting, and the other is female fitting 1/4 inch which spins without restriction. It is compatible with not only Hot Max torches, but also other standard size torches. It is ideal for home use in grills, turkey fryers, and camping equipment. With a length of 25, it is perfect for use at home. Number 4. US Forge Oxy-Acetylene Hose. It is the US Forge 08951 3/16 inch by 25 feet Oxy-Acetylene hoses are twin weld hoses that are designed to be ideal for the use of acetylene gas as a fuel. This twin hose has neoprene covers that are of the best quality. It's two-colored, red with green, which makes it easy to connect the gas connections right. This hose is available in an appropriate length of 25 feet, which makes it perfect to use. Weatherproof and kink-proof, which makes it more secure for use on a regular basis. The product comes with flexible and tough neoprene covers that stop leaks and damage. It comes with gas regulator fittings for welding. It's not too big nor too heavy, which makes it perfect for small storage spaces. Number 5. Welding City 50-foot grade. This Welding City 50-foot grade T-twin hose 1/4 BB fittings is a high-end twin hose suitable for oxygen, propane, acetylene, and different gas sources. The Great T-twin hose has an overall diameter of 1/4 inch and is fitted with BB fittings. It's a kind of S for standard duty and is fully compatible with 2008's RMACG AIP7 standards. This premium product is both oil and flame resistant, which makes it among the most reliable and safest hoses available. There are 2 colors, red as well as green, that allow for precise and correct fitting during cutting or welding. It is compliant with the highest standards of safety and quality. This ensures that you will receive items that last for many years to come. The company offers impressive technical support, which enhances the overall quality that the item offers. The length of 50 feet increases the versatility and flexibility in and out of the workshop. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.